Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to interpret the quotient of a word problem, and the word quotient is the answer to a division problem. So this word problem is division. So I'm already telling you what you have to do, but we're just going to talk about how to figure things out. So this question says, Miss Kraft has 20 pencils to divide equally among 5 groups of students. How many pencils does each group get? All right, so I'm going to circle my important numbers. We have 20, we have 5. So Ms. Kraft has 20 pencils to divide equally among 5 group of students. And my question is, how many pencils does each group get? All right, so it actually tells us, sometime in a word problem, we're lucky, it tells us what we need to do. It says that she has 20 pencils that she's going to divide equally among 5 group of students. So I have another video where we look at different ways we can divide, the different type of models that you can do to divide. But for today, we are just going to use our basic fact family. So we have 20 divided by 5. So 20 pencils among 5 groups. So imagine you just keep equally sharing those 20 pencils. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So how many pencils does each group get? We know that each group will get 4 pencils. And remember, we can always check our division with multiplication. So if I have 5 groups, I give 4 pencils to each group. That means I had 20 pencils to start with. So this is an example of how we can use division. All right, I will do one other problem for you. Just bear with me. All right, so this problem reads, Frank has 24 rocks in his collection. If a box holds 6 rocks, how many boxes will Frank need? All right, so our important numbers, we have 24 and 6. And we want to know how many boxes will Frank need. So we will underline this question. All right, so if we just imagine he has 24 rocks, and again, he's going to be equally sharing, putting 6 rocks in this box, 6 rocks in that box, 6 rocks in that box. And actually, you can think of this more as repeated subtraction, right? So we do know that division is repeated subtraction. So we can imagine that happening, that he's subtracting 6 each time until he runs out of rocks. So that is a division problem. We'll just use our basic fact though for this. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. Frank will need 4 boxes if he wants to have enough space for all of his rocks. We can check our answer by using the multiplication fact. If he has 4 boxes and each box holds 6 rocks, that means he has enough space for 24 rocks. All right, so today we practiced how to solve division problem, how to understand the quotient of a division problem. All right, I hope this helped, and I'll see you next time.